Hello everyone, have you ever sent your Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot password and then tried to connect your Windows PC again? Windows can still detect the Wi-Fi network, but when you click on connect, it simply fails because Windows is trying to use the old saved password. So the easiest solution is to forget the old Wi-Fi network and connect it again. So to connect with the new Wi-Fi network with the new password, go to more Wi-Fi setting, then go to manage non-network, and here you will see your Wi-Fi network name, and on the right side here you have options to forget. Just click on forget. Now again click on network, and now you'll see your Wi-Fi network name. Just click and connect, and here you'll get options to type your new password. So type the new password here and next, and here is disconnected. So whenever you sense your Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot password and Windows suddenly refuses to connect, try forgetting the saved network first. You don't need to reinstall the Wi-Fi driver or sense complicated network settings. In many cases, simply forgetting the old network and reconnecting with the new password fixes the problem. And if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button and hit the bell icon for the latest updates, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.